Welcome the our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Salesloft for multi-channel outreach, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start your journey with Salesloft for multi-channel outreach, first, navigate to the Salesloft website. On the home page, locate the Get Started button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click the Get Started button to begin the subscription process. You will be prompted to enter your work email address. Fill in your email address and click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll need to complete a few fields in the registration form. Provide your first name, last name, and company name. Select your job title from the drop-down menu to indicate your role. Input your company size to help Salesloft understand your outreach needs. Once all fields are filled, check for any pre-checked boxes for marketing communications. Decide whether you want to receive these communications and adjust the selections accordingly. After reviewing your details, click the Sign Up button to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after signing up. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Salesloft. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email to verify your account. After confirming your email, you'll be redirected to set up your password. Enter a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the screen. Then, click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once your account is created, log in with your email and newly created password. After logging in, you will be directed to the Salesloft dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. Next, navigate to the settings to configure your profile. Make sure to fill in any additional information required for optimal functionality. Now, you can explore the different outreach channels available within Salesloft. Choose the channels that best suit your outreach strategy, such as email, phone, and social media. Set up your first outreach cadence by clicking on the Cadence tab. Follow the prompts to customize your outreach sequence according to your goals. Finally, review your cadence and launch your multi-channel outreach strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.